Hello, today's topic.
At the bank.
Excuse me, I need to inquire about a loan.
Of course, have you decided on the type of loan?
I'm thinking of a personal loan for home renovations.
Great choice. Let's discuss your options.
What are the interest rates like?
They vary depending on the loan amount and term.
I see. And what about the repayment period?
You can choose a repayment period that suits you.
That's good to know. Can I apply online?
Yes, you can start the application process online.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
Actually, I'm also interested in opening a savings account.
Sure, we have different types of savings accounts.
Which one would you recommend?
It depends on your saving goals and preferences.
I see. Can I access my savings online?
Yes, our online banking platform is very convenient.
Excellent. I'll consider it. Thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Feel free to reach out anytime.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Vocabulary.
Bank. Inquire. Loan. Personal. Renovations. Options. Interest. Rates. Repayment. Period. Apply. Online. Application. Process. Savings. Account. Goals. Preferences. Access. Platform.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.